So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find houses with a basement here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead and type in your location. So for this example, I'll just use Los Angeles and then press on search. Now if you're looking for a specific type of home, or a home that offers a basement, simply just go to the top here between Save Search and Home Type and press on Filters. Then just scroll down to where it says Home Features right here. And I want you to make sure that basement is selected. So you can go a finished basement or an unfinished basement, so you can make sure either one is checked. But if you just want a basement in general, go ahead and leave both checked. Go to the bottom right, press on See Homes, just like that. Now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different listings for sale in regards to homes that have basements. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to find houses with a basement on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.